Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country. Yes, I did. And now I teach fine folks like you, yes, like you, how not to get fucked and have your face blown off by Takata airbag. Do you know Takata airbags? You don't? Well, that's pretty shitty. You should have. The only reason you don't know about it is because not enough people died. So here's the situation. Takata makes airbags. It's a company. They make airbags for cars. They make seat belts. They make baby car seats. They make shit ton of things for like safety of the passengers for airbags. But 10 years ago, over 10 years ago, they had a problem. When the airbag would explode, there would be metal pieces, metal fucking shrapnel, like from a grenade. Yes, like from a grenade, that would fly into people's faces, and it killed a bunch of people. There's a shit ton of people that are injured. They are like missing noses. Their faces are all fucked up. They have no eyes. I mean, imagine somebody shotgunned you in the face. Okay, that's not pretty sight, right? So there's a recall for this shit. A long time ago, for over 10 years, they have this problem. They issued a recall, and I bet some of you don't even know about this. I'm gonna talk about some of the problems. Okay, let's talk about problem number one. They're still making cars with these airbags still in them. Not all of them. Some car manufacturers fixed that problem and they're not making them anymore. But there's still a bunch of cars, used cars, that are out there with this fucking problem. Still out there, but there's a bunch of manufacturers that are still making cars with these shit airbags. Still making them. Takata didn't even want to pay out money to the fucking people that got killed or fucked up by this explosion from the airbag. And this is how it happens. When there's a car accident, airbag explodes, there's special powder in there that expands the air, okay? And it pushes the airbag, it makes it into a pillow where your face hits it instead of a fucking hard steering wheel. But instead of good amount of air, there's too much of an explosion, and there's metal pieces this fucking big, not little teeny tiny metal pieces, giant metal pieces this fucking big that fly out into people's face and it kills them. Okay, there's been a recall. Not many people know about this recall, and there's a problem, and there's a big problem. Look at this video that Toyota and Nissan put out. Look at this fucking video. We're gonna watch this video, and you tell me if this is a good call for a recall.
An important safety message from Nissan. Takata, a manufacturer of airbags, has discovered defects in some of their products. These defective airbags are fitted in certain Nissan vehicles. Sharp metal fragments are passing through the airbag cushion. Serious injury or death could occur. Driver side, passenger side, or both airbags may be affected. Is your Nissan vehicle affected? Do you or loved ones own any of these affected models? Current owners may not have received a recall notice from Nissan Australia. If your Nissan model is listed, please locate your VIN and contact your Nissan dealer to check if your vehicle is affected. Your Nissan dealer will fix the defect free of charge. The safety of you and your passengers is important to us.
Let me show you a video that I would have made if I actually cared about people not getting fucking their faces blown off by a shrapnel exploding airbag. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Dan. I'm a Takata representative. Do you like your face? Have you seen this before? This is what your face could look like with one of our airbags exploding. Do you have suicidal thoughts? Have you called suicide hotline lately? Do you have a life insurance that you took out on yourself? we have a solution for you. Try one of our newest airbags. They are amazing. For over 10 years, we have been killing people just like you successfully with our airbags. Here are some people that are missing their eye. Here's a lady that has a piece of metal that went into her face. Here's another person that's dead. I hope you enjoyed this informative video. This is Dan with Takata airbags. I'm signing out, and I'll see you, well, wherever you're going to after you die. How would you like that? Why don't their recall videos look anything like they should be? Guys, there's fucking exploding airbags, and their recall videos are animated with not one dead person there, without a single fucking bloody spot. There is a reason I put bloody fucking pictures in my video, because this shit is real. You're not an animated fucking cartoon. Do you want to fix this problem? Call your local dealership and tell them to get on it. Tell them to get on it. And something else, you have to make sure that they don't put the same fucking airbag piece in there. It has to be a new one. There's a lot of dealerships, they're like, oh, we'll fix this shit, not a problem. We'll put the same one in there. We'll take this one out and put exactly just like another one in there. Well, it's the same fucking shit. Would you like to get kicked in the balls with the left foot or the right foot? Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those two videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.